how to redeem or use Gopuff promo code. Now, if you have a promo code of Gopuff and you want to redeem that particular promo code, for that you have to first make sure that you sign into your Gopuff account, and then you have to redeem the promo code during the checkout process. So you must add the products that you want to buy to your cart and then go ahead and then add it. Once you add them to your cart, tap on the My Bag option from the bottom right to come to the cart icon. You can browse through the website or the app to add and remove the items from the cart, and from there, when you go to the checkout page, there you'll find the option called Add Promo Code field. There you simply have to type in your promo code, and once you click on the apply, the promo code will be activated for the discount on your respective order. This way you'll be able to apply a promo code on Gopuff. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.